What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick video here on 2008 Saturn Outlook. The air conditioner / heating motor went out on me. Yesterday I come home from getting my car at JFK Airport after 2 weeks. The weather's like crazy hot, no blowing AC. But the auxiliary was blowing in the back, so I knew it was the front motor that was bad. So I just pulled the plugs out the motor, put a voltmeter there. I was getting full voltage to the motor, so I went that way first before I start playing with relays and fuses and all that. So it eliminated all those checks. So I'm seeing if we can do this real quick. First of all, it's going to be underneath here. Real easy to get to. On the kick panel, passenger side, there's 2 quick fasteners you got to pull out. Alright, first you got these 2 posts here. There's a tool for this, but I didn't feel like going to get it, so I just grabbed the screwdriver and pull it out. And that's it. Then you have another one over here. Same deal. You pull the center out. Then it pops right down. And you have this for your little light. Just try to prying it out and popping that off. Really easy. Next thing, this is the harness plugging into the motor itself. So you can, the little tab under here you can depress. And then you should be able to pull the wire right out. Kind of hard, one hand. Alright, push up on it. Oh, there you go. So you want to pull it out just like that. And this little connector here, I'll take some diagonal cutters, just cut it off, and you can put a new tie wrap on it with the new motor. Okay, once you get this harness here freed up from the motor, it's just a matter of turning this motor clockwise. Then you can pull it right out. And that's it. Alright, here's the new motor. This one here has a little harness you plug your plug into. Where this one here is right on the unit. Should make a difference. Everything else is the same. You're looking at it underneath. Yeah, everything's identical. Alright, let's slap it in. Alright, I put the new one in place. It's just a matter of starting a little to the right and then turn it counterclockwise and it locked in. Then we're just gonna connect these up right here. And tuck that up out of the way. And this plug in for your light. Plug that back up right there. Had to flip it around and push this guard back in. Then you just take these, just push them back in. Same here. Make sure the pin's all the way out. And it's difficult with one hand. And then push it in. It's locked. So let's give it a try, see what happens. Alright, let's see what we got. Turn one. Turn the air on. Oh, turn it further, okay. There we go, nice strong blow. Put it 90 degrees, got here the air work. So that was a pretty easy job, y'all. It took me pretty much 10 to 17 minutes to do, I guess. Could have been done a lot quicker if I had two hands trying to hold the camera. But, you know, like usual, like, comment, subscribe, and any questions or anything, just hit me up in the comments. But it's the same thing for your claims, your Traverse, and the Outlooks, all those SUVs from like I think 07 to 10 or 12 or something like that. All right, thanks for watching.